Okay, I just made a deposit with bank online. That is with the Nigerian payment method. This is $30 payment. So let's go look for Signal and do some trades. Okay, I'm actually feeling sleepy because I've not had my sleep, but I place a trade. Um, let's see how fast it will go. My prediction is for the price to go down. Give me profit. Okay, I may have to pause. I'll be right back once it's done. Okay, traders pull through. That's many percent. Let me check. That's $11. So I don't know how many percent that is. 39%. Okay, 30 has become 42. This is how we grow slow. Anybody can do this. You see, I'm not just trading. You need training to do this. You need training to do this. Okay, I had so many distractions. My baby is awake, and we are both trading together. Dollar is dollar. Okay, I've grown a $30 account to 142. I just want to do one more uh, trade so that you get to see when I'm having what's up dollar. Okay, it's now $156. Uh, dollar. Okay, guys, I gotta go. Maybe I should show you profit table. Will there be losses? Of course, there will be losses. You can see all the profits. You can see losses there. There will always be losses, but the drill is you can learn to be more profitable at the end of the day, and you need to be satisfied with what you get. You need to be satisfied with what you get. Okay, just one more last trade. You may be wondering, I've already gotten my signal. I'm not just placing my trade. I know the direction of my market, except sometimes it's not all the time you are always right. There are times you won't be right. Like now, I didn't check again because I was talking to you. I didn't check the signal, but I'm sure it's going to pull through. All right, so that's another 27% there. So now I have 170. This is how you build your account slow but steady. No be so dollar. This is Sunday money. Okay, I'm trying to run my last trade. It's not pulling through. It's almost there. Okay, I may have to pause because it's struggling to come down. Okay, so today what we have here is let me go through. No, not statement, profit. Um, that will be profit table. Okay, so these are all the trades we do. We did myself and Dollaris. Okay, we did this trade from $30. We have 240. So I'm gonna be making a withdrawal. Cashier, dollar. Uh, I'm gonna be making a withdrawal maybe via let's say Skrill. I don't want to use perfect money. I'm gonna use Skrill for instance. Hey, dollar. Okay, I'm going to be withdrawing like let's say 230, and I'm gonna be withdrawing to Skrill. I made some deposit with Skrill, so I want to withdraw to Skrill. Hi. Dollar, what's up? Alpha. Okay, I started with 230. I had started with $30, and I made $210 profits. 210 profits. Anybody can do this, but you need to learn. You practice, then you will surely earn. Sorry, um, I'm with my daughter. Sometimes once I want to start trading, you can see the profit table. You win, you lose. You win, you lose. You win, you lose. But I'll teach you how you get to win more than you lose. God bless you. I'll see you in another video.